We're up in Lower Beachmont. As you can see, there's nothing lower about this. It's the side of a mountain. Have a look down here. We've got 6 metre high posts overlooking this amazing view out to the Hinds Dam. And through the trees you can see the skyline of Surfers Paradise. We've got a 3.4 front cover, and then we've just got a very simple open plan living area, kitchen area, 2 bedrooms. There's a little laundry there, bathroom at the end, and you can see the extra front bedrooms across here.
With opposition, and it's chalk and cheese. This is so much more robust and sturdy.